Are you looking for a direct hair supplier at factory prices?
More than 10 years of experience in hair manufacture and wholesale. KFhair Vietnam processes more advanced hair production technology with a team of 100 experienced workers. We can ensure the quality and quantity of finished hair meets standards. KFhair always publicizes its transparent hair production process: sorting, washing, straightening, bleaching, and curling. All follow strict procedures from hair experts. We commit to using 100% raw hair from Vietnamese women. Vietnamese hair always maintains excellent quality. Long-term cooperation. Many customers have trusted and continuously cooperated with KFhair for a long time. Don't worry if you don't know how to order from us. Our sales team will support your problems quickly and effectively. Our products with competitive price with many discounts, payment methods, and shipping policies. Buy with us now.